All right, let's jam the whole tune. The Lion Sleeps Tonight. We got Ringo Starr on the metronome right now. Thank you very much, Ringo. Let's play the tune. Same 3 chords going round and round and round. You just play whatever strum you want to play. I'll be leading you through the progression of beginner, all the way up to the advanced stuff. Hope you'll sing along, breathe, tap your foot. Let's have fun. You ready? A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Come on now, settle in. Take a deep breath with me. When you're breathing deep, it prepares you to sing. So if you haven't already, start humming, oohing, and eyeing along. Let's do it one more time, beginners. Ah, la 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 la. Sing any line you like. Let's go to more intermediate. This is the strum that sounds like awimo, 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 awimo. Strum and sing. Awimo, 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 awimo. Let's start putting some of those accents. Beginners, you can stay at your quarter note strum. Keep breathing, keep smiling. Let's sing. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Oh, in the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Wim away, 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 wim away. Hush, my darling, my sleepy darling, the lion sleeps tonight. Hush, my darling, my sleepy darling, the lion sleeps tonight. Add a triplet if you can. Oh, wim away, wim away, wim away, wim away, wim away, wim away. Here it comes. Triplet, triplet, wim away, 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 And of course is the chuck strum. Let's break it down. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Strum it out. Awimo, 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 oh, oh, oh. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Let's put him to bed. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Keep strumming. Keep strumming. Just off the cuff here, jamming along with you, listening to Ringo, listening to that pulse that's always present if we listen. Come on, let's come together. Ready? How-imbo, 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 how-imbo. Thanks for jamming along. Did you enjoy this video? Would you like me to make more of them? Leave a comment below. Hope you'll give this video a thumbs up. And if you think that there's someone in your life who you think would benefit from seeing this video and strumming along, please share it with them. Thanks so much. And I hope music is making your day peaceful and wonderful today. See you soon.